Aloha and welcome everyone to the No Direction Challenge.
Today we will be making homemade brownies with no directions.
So without further ado, let's begin. Alright, now let's begin. How long are we going to have? Set a timer.
I don't know. Probably about 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
15 minutes to put everything together. Have you ever made brownies before?
No. No, I have not.
From scratch, no. The box, yeah. So obviously, you gotta go with your flour first. Right?
Bingo. And start.
Okay, 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take this flour, about, I wanna say, 5 cups. This is sufficient. I do know you have to mix your dry ingredients together first.
Do you know?
Yep. Anyways, the cacao powder.
Cacao. Baking. That'll do.
Definitely smells like cacao. I don't know how much. Obviously, I don't know how much to put in. Can I phone a friend?
No.
I think just a little bit more.
Take your time there. It's okay. Why did you open it like that? Oh my god.
Gotta mix it together, make sure it's all chocolatey and whatnot. Okay, then you gotta put in that sugar. And probably about a cup of sugar. Well, that was a clump.
Perfect.
That's about a cup. All right. That's okay if you get clumps. You gotta dig in there and just mix everything by hand. Just mix everything by hand.
All right, Dan.
Just makes the process go a lot smoother.
Does it? All right.
Yours is way darker than mine.
Yours are light chocolate.
Light chocolate brownies. Chocolate. Light chocolate brownies. You like yours? Okay. We're gonna pour some salt in here. About a teaspoon or 2.
That'll do.
What happened? What's going on? Alright. Okay. So, mix that in. That gives it the rise you need.
That's yeast.
Okay.
All right, now eggs.
I haven't used baking powder yet.
Well, I have, so
Baking powder is what I feel like we need. There's something missing.
Oil.
Be right back. We found out you don't need oil to make homemade brownies. The box calls for some oil, but I don't know.
Intense.
You want about a cup of baking? I'm just kidding. I'm not that stupid.
All right.
Just put that in there. What's the timer at?
I don't know. We're not looking. So hurry up. Oh, how much butter? Oh man. Yeah, you done did it, boy. How much butter?
The whole stick.
I'm not using the whole stick of butter.
I'm an animal. What can I say?
We need something to,
It won't get out. Ugh. Okay. So, I think it's supposed to be melted, honestly.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
it'll melt. Half a stick.
he just pinched it off. Like, I'm slimy and I don't like it. Okay.
Oh, do we need water?
No. So, a little bit of vanilla goes a long ways. So, make sure you put in a lot. Okay. So, I honestly, I think I need more cacao powder. So I'm just gonna dump in the rest.
Maybe we should melt the butter. Just... Do you have anything I can put in the microwave?
A bowl. Okay. So in the meantime, he's going to melt the butter.
I'm melting my butter, by the way, not yours.
Ah! Okay. So we'll be right back.
All right, back with the melted butter.
Not me.
Oh well. He's trying to figure out how to melt butter.
Do you steam it?
15 seconds, buddy.
That's for half a stick, so 30 for a full.
No, God, don't.
It's popping. I'm back. So, melted the butter. Took about 5 minutes. Flip. Another 5 minutes, and then just take it out of the microwave. And oh god. So found out that everything that we did, it's too dry, so we improvised. Well, he did. Mine's gonna be perfect. And he poured some water in it. So it's still dry. It still is not doing anything.
You got any oil?
It's in the cupboard.
Is it by the coffee maker?
It's up top. Left behind you. Up top. So.
Was there water or milk in the recipe?
Oh, there is no.
Well. Oh.
Oh.
That's about right. that's cutting her right there.
Okay.
Yep.
He goes. Oh, this is so wrong. This is so wrong. I'm glad we made something that could potentially kill us.
What the f is that?
No, this ain't good. Mine looks like something. It looks like something. It's bad. It's
All right.
So, I'm mixing. I think it needs to be a little bit soupy.
No, mine's fine. Where's my mix? Where's my pan?
It's right there, left, bottom left, in those drawers.
Bottom left.
In here. To right. Straight. Left. Left. Straight. Down.
Oh.
Grab a metal one and I'm never making brownies again. I'm gonna stick to the box. Oh, my arm's getting tired.
I don't know how to turn your oven on, or else I'd preheat it. Which pan do you want?
First, let's talk about what temperature you guys at home need to preheat your oven to.
I don't have a clue. So
It's either 350 or 425. I'm gonna go with brownies. Thinner brownies need lesser heat.
I think a lot of it depends on the pan.
Yes,
All right,
if you got a metal pan, 350. Glass, 480. 400 probably.
All right.
Something like that.
So-
I don't know.
Which pan are you using? Pick your pan. Pick your pan.
I'm going with it. But first, always use protection. Make sure you always protect your brownies. Spray that in there. You didn't use this.
It's glass.
I don't think that's how that works. Okay. Is that a space peanut? Oh god. Okay. I'm gonna just go on and plop her down. Oh yeah. Yummy. So, okay. So we're doing good.
What is that?
How confident are you
I'm not.
on your baking capabilities?
Well, mine are going to be chocolate. Yours aren't. I can tell you that.
Mine's are gonna be chocolate, okay? You know, you just gotta spread it around.
And ready to go in. And we still have 40 seconds left. Man!
Here's my brownie batter. It's pretty well. Oh God, it's coming out. Wasn't paying attention. Anyways, here it is.
These are some brownies.
That's some good consistency. All right.
Welcome back, everyone.
So, we couldn't decide on a temperature
Or time.
or time to put the brownies in for. So we just went ahead and just went for 365.
And we winged it.
And we winged it and we just stabbed it. Turns out mine's really spongy. That may come from the water. His is not spongy. I don't know what we did different. Mine's got to be better.
We shall see. And the ingredients as followed.
As follows. Half cup butter.
All right.
We were pretty close. 1 cup white sugar. We kind of winged everything, but
Hey.
2 eggs. We got 2 eggs. We did that one correct. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Literally
Good
what
enough.
I said. I think. I don't remember. 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. That did not happen. We put in like 3 cups. Half cup all-purpose flour. Again, we put in like 5 cups. A 4th teaspoon salt.
Good enough. Yeah.
No, that didn't happen.
Quarter.
1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Now, I think I probably did put something in about that. So, and those of you at home that eat brownies with frosting, despicable. Anyways, let's see how these brownies taste. Oh, you're going for a big one. Go
Nope.
big or go home, right?
We each got to try both kinds, so I got to cut it so we can.
Well, you got to get yours out first.
Sure.
Who didn't use spray? Pam. You didn't use Pam. See, yours actually kind of looks more like a cake than a brownie.
Yep.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah, it's a little warm. That's another reason why it wasn't working for you. Huh. Oh, yours came out pretty nice.
That's because I know what I'm doing.
Oh, sorry.
Anyways, as you can see, A cakey brownie, but a brownie nonetheless. Now let's see how it tastes. Why is it so salty?
What?
Oh my god, what did you put in here?
Oh. Oh.
No. I can't take another bite.
What in the world?
Yeah.
Does it smell like something?
It smells like socks. It smells like a dirty pair of socks.
All right.
Okay, that's
next.
a big X.
Let's see how your style turned
The
out
best. Now mine's a little paler. Well, that's okay. That just means the cocoa powder really set in.
there. Shut up.
Oh, look how nice and
Yeah.
look how nice and neat that came out. You wanna know why?
I don't.
I used Pam. Okay, let's see how it smells. It's same.
smells-
It smells exactly the same. It's spongy. Let's go for it. I win. It's
It tastes like
There's
bread,
it tastes like bread,
but
but it's still good. I didn't spit it out.
That-
Unlike yours, I don't know what you did in yours, but as you can see, a lot paler, spongy. Yeah, it really turned out like bread.
made chocolate bread,
I made chocolate bread. Who would have known?
and I made salt.
Chocolate salt. Who would have known? But that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, subscribe, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We'll see you in the next episode.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life shows him spoken real, saw the movie I ignore.